Hi, Sarah. Have you ever met someone by accident and it completely changed your day?
Mm, I think so. Why do you ask?
Today, something amazing happened. I was at the park just reading my book when someone asked me for directions.
Oh, really? And then?
I helped her and we started talking. Her name is Emily. She's studying art and we discovered we have a lot in common.
That's exciting. Did you exchange numbers?
Yes, we did, and she invited me to visit her art exhibition this weekend.
Wow, that's a perfect example of how random encounters can lead to great opportunities.
Exactly. And it made me think, sometimes we focus too much on our routine and forget to notice people around us.
True. Every person you meet can teach you something new.
Listeners, try this. Tomorrow, smile at someone you don't know. You never know what might happen.
And now, pause the video. Think, when was the last time someone made a positive difference in your day?
Let's continue. Emily showed me her paintings. They were amazing.
I bet it was inspiring.
Absolutely. We talked about art, life, and even travel. I realized meeting new people can open doors to experiences you never imagined.
That's such a good lesson for English learners. Conversations are not just about language, they're about connecting with people.
Right. And you don't need to be perfect in English. Just be kind, curious, and open. That's how relationships grow.
So, listeners, your challenge is to start a conversation today. Even a simple hello can change your day.
Remember, English learning is not only about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about confidence and communication.
And that's our tip for today.
So, I went to Emily's art exhibition this weekend. It was incredible.
That sounds amazing. What did you see there?
There were paintings of landscapes, portraits, and even abstract art. I learned so many new words while talking to her about the paintings.
That's perfect for English learners. You can learn language through experiences.
Exactly. For example, I learned words like vibrant, intricate, and masterpiece, and I used them while discussing her work.
That's a great tip. Always try to use new words in real conversations.
Yes, and the best part was meeting other people who love art. We shared stories, and I even practiced my English with them.
Wow, so you were not just observing, you were interacting. That's the key to learning.
Right. And I noticed when you step out of your comfort zone, like attending events or meeting new people, you improve your English naturally.
Listeners, try this. Join a club, attend a workshop, or even visit a gallery. Small steps can make a big difference.
And here's another thing. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. I mispronounced some words, but people were patient, and I learned from them.
That's such an important lesson. Confidence matters more than perfection.
Absolutely. And after the exhibition, Emily and I decided to collaborate on a small project. This is how opportunities appear when you communicate in English.
So, English learners, remember, every conversation is a chance to grow.
And that's why we encourage you to practice English every day. Talk, listen, and explore new experiences. That's the real learning.
Great. Now pause the video and think, where could you use English this week?
And don't forget to share your experience in the comments below. We love hearing your stories.
That's the end of episode 23. Stay motivated, keep speaking English, and see you next time.